Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let me introduce myself. I am Prabha Sen from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, studying in first sem CSC Data Science, section Ferrari, course Applied Chemistry, topic E-Waste Management. Today I will be discussing about efficient strategies for effective e-waste management, a sustainable approach. Introduction. In this presentation, we will explore efficient strategies for e-waste management to achieve a sustainable approach. We will discuss the current challenges and potential solutions for the responsible disposal and recycling of electronic waste. Understanding e-waste. Defining e-waste and its impact on the environment and public health. Exploring the rapid growth of electronic devices and the challenges posed by their disposal. Highlighting the need for effective management strategies. E-waste regulations. Examining the existing regulatory frameworks for e-waste management on a global scale. Understanding the importance of compliance with environmental standards and the role of government policies in driving sustainable practices. Challenges and opportunities. Identifying the challenges associated with e-waste management, including technological obsolescence and lack of awareness. Exploring the opportunities for innovation and collaboration to address these challenges. Responsibility of manufacturers. Discussing the responsibility of electronic manufacturer in the life cycle management of their products, emphasizing the importance of sustainable design, product take-back programs, and extended producer responsibility. Circular economy approach. Exploring the concept of circular economy in the context of e-waste management, highlighting the potential benefits of circularity, including resource conservation, reduced environmental impacts, and economic opportunities. Technological innovations. Showcasing the latest technological innovations in e-waste recycling and treatment, highlighting the role of advanced processes such as urban mining and sustainable material recovery in mitigating e-waste challenges. Community engagement, emphasizing the significance of community in promoting responsible e-waste disposal and recycling, showcasing successful initiatives and the impact of public awareness campaigns on sustainable e-waste management. Corporate sustainability initiatives, highlighting the role of corporate sustainability initiatives in driving e-waste management best practices, showcasing case studies of companies implementing effective e-waste reduction and recycling programs. International collaboration, exploring the importance of international collaboration in addressing the global e-waste challenge, showcasing successful partnerships and initiatives aimed at promoting cross-border cooperation and knowledge exchange. Measuring impact and progress. The importance of managing e-waste is crucial due to the constant advancement of technology. Implementing sustainability method is essential to minimize risks and ensure a healthier future for our planet. Proper e-waste management reduces landfill waste and allows for the recovery of valuable resources through recycling and reuse. Increasing the recycling rate efficiently reduce the environmental impact of e-waste and conserves valuable resources. Strict regulations and guidelines can encourage manufacturers to design products free from harmful substances, raising consumer awareness about e-waste management is crucial. Conclusion: the significance of implementing efficient and sustainable strategies for managing e-waste is crucial. Proper handling of electronic waste is essential for the environment. Given the rapid advancement of technology and increasing use of electronic devices, the alarming levels of e-waste generated necessitate proactive measures for responsible disposal and recycling. Additionally, recognizing the economic benefit of e-waste recycling, such as recovering valuable materials like gold, silver, copper, can reduce the need for mining and create job opportunities in recycling industries. Efficient and sustainable e-waste management is vital.